Hariom. My name is Dr. Namita Veera Shirolkar. My Upasana Center is Dombivli, MIDC. I want to share my experience how Bapu Ai Dada cares for us and how they make everything easy for us. I want to share an experience which happened in December 2021. My father-in-law had many complications and he was suffering from liver cirrhosis. So he used to have internal bleeding in his esophagus. But on 25th December 2021, it was so severe that he vomited blood at home 2 times. And we were very much frightened and we rushed him to hospital and he was admitted to ICU. I informed this to Dr. Linambira Padelkar and told her to tell it to Dada. On 27th December 2021, doctors said that he is very critical and they will not be able to save his life. That day, all family members were so upset. But again, I called Dr. Linambira and told that doctors are saying like this. She said, Dada had told you to chant 3 times a day Ram Raksha for him and also go for second opinion. We started chanting Ram Raksha and really his condition started improving. Afterwards we were thinking of second opinion. Now we have to search for a hepatologist. And to my knowledge, I had been visited Dr. Hemant Sevadia in Global Hospital Paril 8 years back. So I thought we will take opinion of Dr. Hemant Se because he is a very charming doctor. So the thinking process started how we can manage because he was very weak and the COVID situation was also going on. So we were thinking of that like this. But next day, his father was admitted in ICU and he was from Sharjah. He was sitting beside my mother-in-law and he saw this counter in her hand. So actually Bapu has given us to chant Rama Rama Atma Rama Trivikrama Sadguru Samartha Trivikrama Atma Rama Rama Rama. This Gajab Bapu had told us to chant. So my mother-in-law chants continuously. And the person he was knowing Bapu because many of his friends were Bapu Bhakta. So he asked that are you a devotee of Bapu? So my mother-in-law said yes, I am a devotee of Bapu. So he said ki my uncle is also a devotee of Bapu and he is a well-known hepatologist. Can I call him and ask him about your father, about your husband? So she was really very happy because we were thinking of a second opinion of a hepatologist. So she was very happy. Yeah, we will surely we will do this. So he said that my uncle has gone to US now. He practices in Dubai, but he has gone to US now. So we will speak with him at night. She said okay. Then at night at 11:30, he called his uncle and told everything about my father-in-law and all. And he requested to speak with my mother-in-law. So the doctor spoke with my mother-in-law. She is also a paramedical. So she told all the condition about my father-in-law. So he was very much upset, but he said कि actually whatever you has told me, the condition is not good, but let Bapu do anything. Whatever Bapu want to do, let him do. He will be doing the good only, and he will surely take care of him. So my mother-in-law was relieved with his words, and afterwards she told me all the episode. So I asked her, who was the doctor you spoke? She said, I don't know, but I will ask. Then she asked that person from Sharjah, who was your uncle? What is your uncle's name? So he said he was Hemant, Dr. Hemant Vadia. So the same doctor I wanted to meet, but it was Bapu knew that it was very difficult for us to uh, give what do you say move my father-in-law from here and there. So he arranged himself a second opinion for him, and that time he came home, he cured, but afterwards on 16 February 2022 he united with the Bapu's lotus feet, and as per Dada's guidance, we all family members were chanting Ram Raksha for Ambanya Nath Sam.